Two-wheeler bike manufacturing company. Eligibility. Gender male candidate eligible. Weekly 5 days work and 2 days leave. Saturday and Sunday leave. Educational qualification. 10th, 12th, 80, diploma, degree candidates. Facilities. Food provided, shift time only. Transport facilities, 30 kilometers radius. Details. 187001000 attendance bonus. Overtime, 140. ESI and PF available. Department. Production, quality, assembly, helper. Age limit 18 to 25. Duty hours 8, rotational shifts. Location Vallam, Orgadam near Chennai. 735808914141